Okay, they took off the pictures of the, or they took off the plastic so we can see it now. Here's the plastic, here's the kitchen cabinets. I know it's a little dark, but here is what they look like up close. Okay, and I don't know what goes there. But I just wanted her to see. This is the cabinet. There's people here, so I can't really get a good close look. Move over, dear. Oh, they do have a little bit of a rope above there. There's a little bit of like some detailing. I can't really get close, but there's some nice little detailing with some indented detailing over there. And I'll take a picture of the kitchen from a distance. It's a nice kitchen. It's going to be beautiful when it's finished. Okay? Okay.